Hello learners. Today we are going to learn about 12 tenses in English. I'm going to give you a quiz for each type of tense and the rules behind the quizzes. Actually, there are total 16 tenses in English. However, I'm only going to teach you the 12 tenses. The remaining 4 tenses are a little bit complicated to be used in the everyday English, so the basic 12 tenses. Let's get started with the first one. The first tense is the present simple tense. Present simple tense. Now, present tense is divided into 4 types. So this is the first one, present simple tense. Used for facts, routines, and general truths. Let's see the structure. Subject plus verb 1, present form of the verb. We add s and es to verb 1 for he, she, it, and singular subjects, and verb 1 for I, you, we, they, and plural subjects. Plus the object plus the remaining sentence. Okay, now let's move to the quiz. She always belonged to the bed at 10 p.m. Go, went, gone, going. Go is verb 1, went is verb 2, gone is verb 3, and going is ing form of the verb. Verb 1 is present form of the verb. Verb 2, past form of the verb. Verb 3, past participle form of the verb. And last one is the ing form of the verb. As I've told you that we add s and es to verb 1 for he, she, it, and singular subjects. All of these are the different forms of the verb. These are the total different forms. And why I'm giving you a sneak peek of these verbs, because to learn tense, it is very important to learn about the verbs. So, according to the structure, she is the subject, always is the adverb, and she takes verb 1 plus s and es. She always goes to bed at 10 p.m. To bed is the object and 10 p.m. is the time. Keep in mind, routines follow present simple tense. Now, let's move to the next tense, present continuous tense, used for actions happening right now or temporary situations. Right now, actions happening right now. The structure, subject plus is, are, am, plus the ing form of the verb, plus the object or the remaining sentence. Is for he, she, it, are for you, we, they, and am for I. Now, let's see the quiz for the second number, tense, present continuous tense. They are blank a movie right now. Watch, watched, or watching. Watch is verb 1, watched is verb 2, and watching is ing form of the verb. We have they as the subject. They takes are, they are, plus the ing form of the verb. They are watching a movie right now. Right now shows that the action is happening in the present moment. And we take present continuous tense for actions happening in the present moment right now. Okay, we are done with the second type of tense. Now let's move to the third number. The third type of present tense is called the present perfect tense, used for actions that happened at an unspecified time or the action is important than the time of action. So what does this mean? It means that action is highlighted and it's important, but the time of action is not mentioned or it's not important. It's not highlighted. Let's see the structure for present perfect tense. The structure is subject plus has or have, has for he, she, it, and have for I, you, we, they, plus verb 3, the past participle form of the verb plus the objects. I have blanked that movie before. See, saw, seen, saying. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, and ing form of the verb. According to the structure, I is the subject, I takes have, I have, verb 3. I have seen that movie before. Did you notice that there's no mention of time in the sentence? The sentence highlights an action for which the exact time is not given. Moreover, the action belongs to the past, but we wouldn't keep it in the category of past tense because the focus of the sentence is to show the action, is to highlight the action. And these kind of actions come under present perfect tense, where the focus is on the action is highlighted, and time is not mentioned. I would also like to add that recently finished actions that don't have the time mentioned also come under present perfect tense. Done with the third one, let's move to the fourth tense, present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used for actions started in the past and continuing now or just stopped in the present moment. I'll repeat, started in the past and continuing now in the present moment, still going on. The structure is subject plus has or have plus been plus the ing form of the verb plus since, for plus the remaining sentence. Since and for is very important for present perfect continuous tense. Now let's see the quiz. We have been blank English for 2 years. Study, studied, and studying. Verb 1, verb 2, and ing form of the verb. Studied is also written as verb 3. Now let's see the structure. The subject is we takes have, we have been, the ing form of the verb, we have been studying English for 2 years. And for shows the time duration. The meaning of the sentence is that the action started in the past and it's still going on. The action started 2 years back and it's still going on in the present moment. The person is still learning English. Started in the past. This is the point in the past 2 years back and it's still going on in the present. So this was the rule and the structure of present perfect continuous tense. Till here we have completed 4 types of tense: present simple tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. With this, the present tense